Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So I'm going to be uploading every time I can, but today we are going to be doing a pick a number game on PowerPoint. So make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video. And please consider subscribing. Okay, so it starts like this. Pick a number. And then you have a lot of numbers. You can pick any number. This is basically for kids, for reading, so they can have fun and read at the same time. So, for example, they pick 22. So I chose English and Arabic words. You could choose any language you want. So this one's Arabic. He has to read it, and then he presses back to numbers. But I forgot to put something, which is to end show, but we are going to put that in the one we're gonna make. So yeah, so you can press anyone, reading, go back, just like yay, and then like they disappear. So if like I put 24, you can put as much as you want, but in the tutorial I'm not gonna do 24. I'm gonna do just like like maybe 10, because maybe 20, I don't know, but 20 is already here. No, I think I'm just going to do, you know what, I'm just gonna do 10. Okay, so yeah, and this is it. It's 26 because these two and these are 24 like words. Okay, now let's really start with the video. So we are going to open a blank presentation and we are going to write in any language you want. Pick a number. Okay, you can take this off. You can customize this page and do anything, but I just want to keep it like this. Okay, then you are going to add a new blank slide. Now you are going to choose any shape you want to put the numbers in. So, last time I chose, I think this one or this one. I think it's this one, but this time I'm choosing something else. Let's see. Well, let's just use these plus signs. I don't know what they're called. Let's just use them, you know? Talking about. Okay, this is the shape. Now we're just gonna, make it. Okay. We need it just like this. Okay, right here. I'm going to change its color. I don't know. You can choose any color you want, but for me, I'm going to choose this one. Then you are going to add an animation. So you're going to go to animations, and then we actually are going to write one, or maybe you want to do letters, not numbers. It's your choice. So for me, I am putting numbers. So there we go. 1. So okay, here is 1. So now we will add an animation just to disappear, and then before. Okay, have to go home, select selection pane, and then we call this 1 because it's this cross. We need to call it 1. Okay, so now when we do this okay, so now we can go to animations. We press on this animation, trigger on the click of, and then 1. So now when you click on it, just like this, it'll disappear. But yeah, it will go to the word later we will do that. Okay, after you put the animation, you are going to do this and Control D, which means duplicate. So now you have 2. Okay. We're just gonna make 10 from these. Can make as much as you want. Okay. Now we're gonna duplicate this, so Control D, and then it's gonna be 3 over here and 3 over here. Wait, I don't think we need to do this. Oh yeah, you don't need to do this. I'm very sorry. But yes. Okay, yep. Now duplicate. You just need to change, the number inside it, so 4. And now we are going to duplicate this again. Okay, 4. And now it's going to be 5. Okay, now we are going to duplicate this again. But this time it's going to be 6. Okay, now it's going to be all the way over here. And then we do, oops, what just happened? Okay, we're going to select it and duplicate it. Okay, just get this out of here. We are going to do this. We're going to make it aligned with this and this. Okay. Now we will write 7. Next, we're going to duplicate it again. And do this. And we're going to write 8. Duplicate again. Now it's in the spot by itself. 9. And then duplicate for the last time. It's going to be 10. Okay, so basically just like that. Now in the middle, you know what, you guys, I'm just gonna copy this and then delete this slide and insert a text box and paste copy. Now here the text box and then paste. Yep, that's what I wanted. Okay, now we are going to put this in the middle. Okay, first of all, we are going to make it so big, so much bigger. Okay, just big. Right here. Okay, now we're going to make the shape fill this color, which is the same as this color, and then the writing, we're gonna make it red. So this is what it looks like. You can do it like this one, just differently. You can make your own designs, you guys. It's just be your own. Okay. Now that we have animations for all of them, that is so much easier. So we will make 10 slides in whatever language you want. So for example, I'm going to make a new slide. So don't make 10 slides already, just make one. You can put math problems, anything. But I'm gonna put read. So like you have to read the word. Okay, actually we don't have to read. Okay, this is the word that I want them to read. It's read. So okay, I'm just gonna say something. Okay, for me, we have to read this word, which is read, basically. Okay, and then we'll choose another shape for the buttons to say back to numbers, or intro if it was the last one. Okay. Okay, let's see. So I'm just gonna get, you know what? Let's just get this over here. Put one on this side, just like this. And then we put one on the other side, just like this. Okay, and now we are going to change their color to this color. You can change. Sorry about that, you guys. I just had something. Okay, sorry about that again. So now in this one I'm going to write end game, and in this one I'm going to write back. Actually, just put two numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna make both of them red. So this is end game and this is back to numbers. So now you will press on end game and you will go to insert, action, hyperlink to, and you do this and you press end show. So that way when you press it, it will end the presentation. Why would we put it? So that if this is, for example, the last word you chose, you would press it because like to be done. So now we go to the back to numbers one. We go to insert, action, again, hyperlink to, and again, instead of next slide, we are going to do, we're going to go to slide, and then 1. Okay, so now that way when you press it, you will go back to slide 1. Okay, now you will press on the slide again, and you will do Control D, so now it's duplicated. All you have to do is change the words. So let's just say comment, for example. Okay, another word would be, okay, why is this wrong? Maybe it's, oh yeah, it's double M, okay. This one should be like Dana, anything, my name. You can just write anything you want, or you can make it a math problem or anything. Okay, now I'll change it to couch. I'm just writing random stuff, you guys. You don't have to write everything I write, so okay, do this, we're gonna duplicate it. So all we need is 10. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th one. Let's do it. Just like table, you know. This is the 6th one. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 4 more. So 7, 8, 9, 10. We just have to do these. Okay, so this is chocolate. This is okay. Here's this one. We can change it to the sample package. Diaper. I don't know what I'm writing. Okay. Shisha. I think this is the last one. Yep, it's the last one. Pillow. Okay. So now that we wrote all of the words, we will go back to the first slide. We will select one, and then we will go to Insert, Action, Hyperlink to Slide, slide, and then you go to 2. Okay. You go to Slide 2, so that way when you press this, it will go to this. Okay, now you do that to all of them, but you just don't put Slide 2, but Slide 3, you just put different words. Okay, and then here, Action, hyperlink to Slide 4. Okay, and then 4 will be hyperlinked to Slide 5. 5 will be, I'm not choosing them, I'm just like doing them in order, so yeah, hope you understand. Now it's gonna be Slide 6, okay. Slide 7. Okay. Oh, this is the same one. Now, for 8, we're gonna do Slide 9. Okay, guys, so I am very sorry for that. It just told me I didn't have space, but we are back on. So, yes. I am. Okay, for 8, we're gonna put on 9.
Hello. And I'm a sister.
Sister.
And then it's brother. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, sorry about that. So hyperlink to. Yep, we're almost done. We are just doing the last one. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, that was so annoying. I know, but it's okay. Okay, now that we are done, you can press slideshow, and for example, you press on 1, you read this word, so it's read, and then you press back to numbers. So I want 8, I press on 8, diaper, back to numbers. You do this by picking any number until you're done with all of the numbers. But there is a catch. So you keep picking them and then reading and then going back. Okay, and then for the last one, you don't press back to numbers, you press end game, because look, if you press back to numbers, there will be nothing, and then it will start doing this. So what you will do is when you press on the last one, so let's say this is the last one, the last number, I press end game and we just get out. So this was today's video. You can say, I hope you understood. I hope it helped you. You can use this as teachers or as like big sisters to teach your brothers. That's what I'm using it for. Or anything basically. So bye.